How toll roads work in Greece? Toll roads in Greece are very easy to use. Unlike Italy, you normally do not take a ticket when entering the motorway. Instead, you pay a fixed amount every time you cross a toll point. Here's how it works. When approaching a toll station, slow down and look at the signs above the lanes. If you do not have an electronic transponder, do not enter the e-pass lane. Use a normal payment lane. At the booth, you can normally pay by cash or bank card. We recommend preparing coins and small banknotes before the trip. 1 and 2 euro coins and 5 or 10 euro notes are very useful. If there are many toll points, paying cash is simply faster than taking out a card at every booth. Prepare the money before reaching the toll station. Stop, pay, take the change. Wait for the barrier to open, then continue. After the booth, be careful because several toll lanes merge back into the motorway. If you accidentally enter an e-pass lane without a transponder, do not reverse. Stop and use the help or intercom button, or wait for toll staff. That is basically everything. No ticket, no payment when leaving the motorway. You simply pay a fixed amount at every toll point. Now, what didn't we like? The motorways themselves are very good. The problem is the number of toll stations. On our trip from Trikala to Athens, there were toll points again and again. You slow down, choose a lane, stop, pay, merge back into traffic, and accelerate. Then, after some distance, you do the same thing again. This makes a good motorway slower and the journey more tiring. It is also not cheap. On a long trip, tolls can add several tens of euros, and on the return journey, you pay again. So, using Greek toll roads is easy. The road itself is good, but stopping and paying again and again is the part we definitely did not like.